Hi, I'm Juan Unok, responsible for business intelligence at La Calera, and among my main functions are leading business intelligence and process improvement projects. As well as I am responsible for the strategy and data governance in the organization. La Calera is the leading producer and marketer of eggs. With more than 50 years in the Peruvian market, we are in the food industry and have more than 3,000 employees. La Calera, as an organization, there are multiple sources of data that generate information. These data sources were processed by our analysts, assistants, collaborators in general, but this processing demanded a lot of time. The other problem we had was the issue of redundant reporting. What do I mean? We generated the same information, but this information was generated by multiple areas. We talk about redundancy. So, while we had those two big problems, what was causing that our leaders' decisions were made after the events had occurred? First of all, Azure Analytics provided us with an agile solution, and we've had experience working with them, and we've been working with them for a long time. And they provide us the solution for our data problem. Azure Analytics provided us with a very comprehensive solution for data extraction and data processing. We worked together to create an architecture for managing our data. Our goal was to create an architecture to manage our data in Microsoft Azure, to be able to manage our reports, or also known as decision-making tools. These tools are currently used by our leaders to make decisions in a timely manner. We use Microsoft Azure as our base architecture. We use Theobald as our SAP HANA data extractor. We perform the processing that everybody knows as ETL. And all this already processed information is stored in a specific data warehouse, which is our centralized data source. And at the end, we use a business intelligence tool, which is Power BI, to consume this information and present it to the managers. Our strategy was divided into three main topics. Firstly, we were looking to automate the processing of the information. Secondly, we have to provide a working tool to the organization's analysts and executives to support the decision-making process of their leaders. And thirdly, we prioritize the reports to support the entire business. Azure Analytics is a group of professionals with vast knowledge in analytics technologies, with extensive experience in project implementation. This allowed us to be very consistent in the implementation of data models requested by the entire business. We have multiple reports of daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly frequency. In the past, daily reports were delivered during the afternoon. Now we have them at 7 o'clock in the morning. In the past, reports were done on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis because it demanded a lot of processing time. Now we have them every day at 7 o'clock in the morning. We now have more information available. As I already mentioned, we have it at 7 o'clock in the morning. We now spend more time analyzing than processing the data. Working with Azure Analytics has the advantage of their experience and SAP knowledge, resulting in a shorter learning curve at the project start than planned. We will continue to evangelize the company's employees using business intelligence tools such as Power BI. It is in our future plans to strengthen our implemented data models. In other words, we will expand or improve them. And finally, we will continue to mature in a data governance strategy.